Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to be talking about the EBS volume. So in the previous video I have shown you the theoretical part of the EBS volume, that what it is and how it works. But in this video and some of the upcoming videos also, I'm going to be showing you that how you can practically work with the EBS volume and how you can store the data, how you can establish the connection with the client that I'm going to be showing you in this video. So later on there will be further videos that will be showing you that how you can store the data in it and further more details about it. So let's go to the screen. As you can see here that I'm currently present in the AWS console. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to what I will do, I will write the EC2. Here is this. Yeah, this is the EC2 instance page that I'm going to be opening. So here inside it, you will see that this is the Elastic Block Store. Inside it, what I will do, I will open the volumes. Here you can see here that this is the volume page. Currently there is no volume that is present. So I will create a volume. The volume will be two volumes, like this is the general purpose volume that I'm going to be creating, and the size of this volume will be 5 GB. This is just for the testing purpose, right? You can increase the size of it also. And this is the availability zone that I'm going to be creating in it. Like the first one is going to be AP South 1A and the next volume is going to be AP South 1B. Alright, so there will be two volumes that I'm going to be creating, and inside these volumes you can basically store the data with the help of these are the EBS storage volume. Inside you will be storing the data and you can access it with, via EC2 Instance, right? That I'm going to be showing you later on. So let's create this volume first of all. And as you can see here that this is the volume AP South 1 that is present in the this availability zone, and create another volume like this one and keep the data like 5 GB. And after that, this is going to be the AP South B, right? So you can encrypt the data also, but I'm going to be doing this encryption later on, but just for showing the purpose that how you can make the connection with the client. This is the purpose of it. So let's create this volume, right? This is AP South B, right? So now let's name them AP South B, AP South 1. Let's write name of it like AP South 1B, and let's create this. And similarly, let's create this one, AP South 1A, right? So now they are identified that each of the volume is belonging to this availability zone. So now after that, let's go to the instance. So once I create the instance, then I will show you that how you can establish the connection with these in the volumes, right? So currently I have this volume EC2 instance that I created previously, but now it is terminated. Let's create another instance, and that instance would be like EBS client, right? And this server will be going to be Ubuntu, and after that the key that I'm going to be giving is tutorial key that I have created previously. And now what I need to do is to select the subnet 1 to AP South A1, right? So this is the point that you need to keep in mind. If you want to select the subnet of the AP South A1, that it will be belonging to that availability zone, right? If you change it to AP South 1B, then it will be belonging to the AP South 1B. So this is the important point that you need to keep in mind. Make sure to do it. Now let's give this allow HTTPS, but there is no need for it, but I'm enabling it. And auto assign public IP, this is required, so enable it. And now as you can see here, that this is the configure storage that it is giving me. So this is the root storage or the root volume storage that is going to be 8 GB. But let's say if I want to create another volume, I can also create it, but that volume is going to be the EBS volume. If I click on this, you can see here that this is the EBS volume that I can create it, and this EBS volume will be 6 GB. Previously in the volume page, I have shown you that I created 2 EBS volumes, but that were the separate volumes. Now inside this EC2 instance, I am creating another volume that is 6 GB. So make sure to, that you understand it. Basically, there were 2 volumes that were present in the page, the volumes page, that are separate. But here I have created another EBS volume that is belonging to this EC2 instance. So I hope you understood, right? So there will be 3 volumes, right? 2 there and 1 is here. So this is 6 GB. And yeah, this is the root volume that is belonging to the root data that will be storing the root data of this Ubuntu instance, right? This is Ubuntu instance, and this will be storing the root data in this 8 GB volume. And this is a separate volume that I can detach it or I can attach it to this EC2 instance. I'm going to show you, right? So let's launch this instance. So it will take me some time in order to launch this instance. Once it is launched, I will be showing you the next step. So let's, it is successfully launched. So after that, let's refresh this. As you can see here that this is a client, EBS client that is currently shown to me here. All right. Now let's wait for it for some time. Currently it is not, yeah, it is running now. So let's go click on this, click connect, and now once it is connected, let's connect this. Yeah. So let's wait for this in order to establish the connection. So now I can know that whether the EC2 instance is having any kind of volumes or not by using this terminal, right? So I will be showing you the command here, right? So let's clear this and write ls block. So it will show me all the blocks that are attached to it. So it will list all the blocks, all right, of the volumes. So this is the command of it. Let's click on this. As you can see here that this is the 6 GB volume that I attached to it. This is another volume that was previously attached in this EC2 instance, right? So this is the, and this is the 8 GB volume that was belonging to the root volume. All right. So this is the 6 GB. This is the 8 GB. But now there is no 5 GB that I created in another page, right? So as you can see here that these are the volumes that are currently present. If I show you, if I refresh this, you can see here that there are 2 more volumes that are created. So let's take a look at them. These were the previous volumes that were created, right? And these are the 2 other volumes that are created when I created this EC2 instance, right? So this EC2 instance is having 2 volumes. The first one is having 8 GB, that is for the root volume, and the second one is the 6 GB, that is the additional volume. But both of these volumes are in use. Where they are in use? They are in use with this EC2 instance. As you can see here, this is the 6 GB, this is the 8 GB. If I zoom in, you will clearly see it. As you can see here, this is the 6 GB, this is the 8 GB, and they are both attached to this EC2 instance. But these 2 volumes are not attached to this EC2 instance. You can see here, there is no 5 GB volume that is attached to this EC2 instance. So why? How I can attach to it? So I can simply take a look at them one by one. So first one is having this AP South 1B availability zone, and the second one is having AP South 1A availability zone. So this EC2 instance subnet is present in AP South 1A. So if you know about it, if I have shown you in the subnet part, so if you remember. So let's take a look at them one by one. So as you can see here, this is the AP South 1B, click action, and this attach volume. So now once it is attached, if I refresh this, you will see that there is no instance relevant to it. Why? Because this volume is belonging to AP South 1B. This is in another availability zone, but the EC2 instance is present in AP South 1A. All right, so both of the availability zones are different. So similarly, if I go back and here, if I show you the volume part, as you can see here, let me just let's click on this AP South 1A, and after that attach volume. And now if I refresh this, you will see that this is running, and as you can see here that this is the same this is the instance that is running and it is attached to it. All right, so yeah, so I hope you understood. So both of the EC2 instance and the EBS volume should be in the same volume in order to be attached. If they are in the different volumes, then they won't be attached. So I hope you understood that AP South 1B was not belonging to the EC2 instance because they were not in the same availability zone. So attach them, right? So it will take some time. Once it is attached, you will see that it is also showing me the in use option here. So let's close this and let's refresh this. Let's wait. As you can see here, this is AP South 1A. This is also in use, means it is also attached to the EC2 instance. And these of the two volumes were previously in use or were previously attached to the EC2 instance. So let's clear this. And why it is not functioning? So let's clear this. And after clearing it, let's wait for this. It is taking some time. So now next time, let's again write ls block. Right, so sorry, it is slowly functioning for me. So yeah, let's wait for it. BLK. So it is, press enter. Yeah, you can see here that this is the 5th GB volume that is attached to it. This is the 6 GB that was previously attached to it, and this is the 8 GB that was basically the root volume. So currently there are 3 volumes that are attached to this EC2 instance that I'm currently running. So I hope you understood. All right, so now they are all part of this instance. If I delete this EC2 instance, then as a result all of these 3 volumes will be deleted, and only this volume won't be deleted. Why? I have to separately delete it. So let's delete it. As you can see here, a delete volume, it will be separately deletable, right? So let's delete it. As you can see here that it is successfully deleted. Now if I refresh this, you will see that there is no AP South 1B in volume that is currently present. But let's say if I delete any one of this volume, as you can, first of all I need to detach it, and once it is detached, then I will be able to delete it. So let's detach it from the what you can say EC2 instance, and once it is detached, then I will be able to what you can say delete it, right? Force detach it. All right, I need to forcefully detach it. It is not detaching. Why? Because yeah, it is detached successfully. All right, so it was previously giving me the error. So now you can see here that this is available. Now it is available. I can what you can say attach it to another instance if I want to, but now it is free. I can easily delete it. Let's delete it. All right, so now this is also this is going to be deleted. As you can see here, both of the volumes are deleted because they were detached, but these volumes cannot be deleted and cannot be what you can say because these volumes cannot be deleted. First of all, I also have to detach them, and once they are detached, then I will be able to delete them. But remember, one thing that you need to keep in mind is that I can delete this 6 GB volume and detach it, as you can see here, but this 8 GB volume cannot be deleted. Why? Because this is present in the root volume. If I show you, as you can see, even if I detach it, you cannot delete it. Why? Because this 8 GB is present in the root volume of the EC2 instance, and this is the reason you have to delete or terminate the EC2 instance in order to delete this this 8 GB volume. So I hope you understood that what I mean by this. So yeah, this is the overall purpose of it, that how you can connect it. Now in the upcoming videos, I will be showing you that how you can store the data in it and access the data in it, and all these things that I will be showing in that video. I just created like 5 GB volume, but I didn't insert the data into that volume, right? But in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can insert the data. So I hope you like this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.